Hello and welcome to TALTECH's Flexible Manufacturing and Robotics Lab. Here, students and industry professionals can explore and experiment with cutting-edge industrial automation technologies. Today, we will introduce you to our smart conveyor system, equipped with sensors and industrial robot, which is used in IoT and smart manufacturing courses. But what makes this even more exciting is that thanks to Merit Project, students from other universities can now remotely participate in these laboratory exercises using VR headsets and the visual component simulation platform. However, we recognize that not all students have the opportunity to visit our lab in person. That's where the Merit project comes in. With the integration of VR technology and visual components, we have made it possible for students from different universities to access our lab remotely. Using a virtual environment, they can interact with the conveyor system, analyze real-time data, and even simulate different automation scenarios, all from the comfort of their own location. This remote accessibility significantly enhances the learning experience, making it more inclusive and interactive. Whether students are on campus or participating from abroad, they receive the same hands-on training in the industrial automation. Through the Merit project, we are pushing the boundaries of education by integrating advanced technology into learning environments. At TALTECH, we believe that innovation and education should go hand in hand, and by combining the VR with industrial automation, we are taking a major step toward the future of engineering education. So, are you ready to experience the future of smart manufacturing education? Join us and explore the possibilities.